Good evening, Professor. This is Group 4, and today we are going to talk about real-world applications of machine learning in business. And here are the four companies that we chose to do the case overview: Discord, Netflix, Expedia, and Target.
Hi
Discord.
everyone. Today, we'll be sharing a real-world machine learning case from Discord, a platform that many of us are familiar with. It's widely used for voice, video, and text chat in communities and gaming groups. As Discord's user base grew, they faced a big challenge: managing large volumes of unstructured content efficiently. Traditional systems couldn't keep up with the demand. They struggled with latency, complex tasks, and scaling issues. Plus, Discord lacked an in-house AI expertise. Solving this was crucial to improve user experience and reduce the need for manual moderation. To address the problem, Discord turned to generative AI. They used models like GPT-4 and Llama, combined with custom infrastructure and rapid prototyping. By testing iteratively and using real user feedback, they were able to automate tasks and improve operational efficiency, leading to a more seamless and scalable experience for their users.
So next is Netflix. So Netflix is a global leader in the streaming industry, offering a wide variety of content to a diverse user base. So one of the keys to delivering a great user experience is Netflix's ability to categorize and recommend content effectively. But to do this, they rely heavily on machine learning models that understand what's happening in each video. But the problem is training these models requires large amounts of accurately labeled video, which is an expensive and time-consuming process when done manually. Traditionally, this task is outsourced to human annotators, but these teams often lack context about the content, leading to consistent or inaccurate labels. So some of the constraints include that the manual process didn't scale well with Netflix's growing content library. It was slow, costly, and required deep understanding of media content that the third-party annotators didn't always have. Solving this is valuable because it directly impacts model quality. Better classification leads to smarter search, stronger recommendations, and ultimately a better user experience, which is something that keeps people engaged and subscribed. So to solve the problem, Netflix created an internal tool called the Video Annotator, or VA. So it's a smart platform that brings together three powerful ideas. First, it uses visual language models, which are AI models trained to understand both images and text. Second, it uses active learning, which is a method where the AI helps identify which clips need human labeling the most, which makes the annotation process much more efficient. Third, it keeps humans in the loop, so domain experts can still directly review and improve what the model is learning. So the process begins with an expert searching for a scene type, for example, shots of buildings. The VA pulls up sample clips and the model begins training itself based on the feedback it receives from the expert. So this approach has dramatically increased efficiency and accuracy. In one use case, three experts labeled over 500,000 video clips across 56 categories with a 6.8 point improvement in precision over the old methods. So in short, this solution allowed Netflix to build better models faster at a lower cost and with more control, which resulted in better content understanding and improved features for users.
Okay, my name is Jordanis and I'm presenting Expedia. So Expedia is a global travel technology company offering services for booking hotels, flights, car rentals, and vacation packages. And it's operating in over 70 countries, international and domestic. Next slide. Okay, so one of the major challenges Expedia addressing is uncoordinated travel planning. When travelers try to coordinate with multiple platforms and people, it often leads to miscommunication. So one of their constraints is definitely going to be integrating across multiple communication platforms and adapting to real-time disruptions like the weather, flight delays and stuff like that. And then one of their limitation is definitely going to be it's still like in the early stages of testing, so there's still things that they need to figure out. And then like most AI things, it's privacy concerns as well. One of the values that it's bringing is a better experience, which leads to a greater customer satisfaction within their company. Next slide. So Expedia is integrating basically an AI travel agent, and it's using tools like AI natural language for real-time data monitoring. And then their approach is basically making it tailored to your results and also integrating into your messages to get the information and filter it out for you. And one of the things that it's bringing for their business is just more efficient planning and easier coordination for group travel as well.
Finally, we have the Target Corporation. Target is an American retail corporation that operates a chain of discount department stores, grocery marts, and hypermarkets. The problem Target was attempting to tackle was enhancing shopper experience through bundled product recommendations, aka market basket analysis. The challenges and constraints encountered during this venture is that analyzing vast amounts of customer purchase data to identify meaningful product correlations is very expensive and time-consuming, as there is an incredible amount of data being generated as every purchase results in a multitude of different outcomes that can be analyzed. And traditional association analytics methods lack scalability and precision, resulting in difficulty when the process is not automated. The value of the solution would be that the successful implementation could drive higher average order values and enhance customer satisfaction via relevant product suggestions and simplification of purchase decisions. Next slide.
To overcome these limitations, the company shifted from traditional analytics to more advanced methods such as graph neural networks, GNNs. Instead of static rules, they've started creating product graphs for each category. Here, the products were knobs and the edges represent how often the items are purchased together, as well as the order in which they're brought. Using GNNs, they could better understand the deeper relationships and patterns in customer behaviors, and going beyond just simply getting to know the co-purchase stats, but also grasping more complex buying intentions and habits. As a result, the smarter bundle predictions that not only improved product relativity, but also scaled effectively. This led to a more intelligent product suggestions and a better customer journey, and unlimitedly increased the business value of Target.
So in conclusion, across all forces, we can see a clear trend. Companies are increasingly leveraging machine learning models and AI-driven tools to make their work process smarter and faster. Specifically, these companies are building custom systems that combine domain expert knowledge with action models and are not just using general overall tools to serve their purposes. Each case ensures that their solutions are not only efficient, but are constantly adapting to new data and information, allowing for improved results that deliver superior customer experience. And there are references to the cases.